Today we have a 2017 Buick Enclave, 17,000 miles, clean AutoCheck. Does come with a balance of factory warranty, so if you have any issues, factory warranty will have you covered. Let's give you a look at it here. So it does have the big chrome grille with the Buick badging on the front. Has the high definition headlights with nice LEDs. Do get your fog lights with the chrome trim. Show you the tires and wheels. They are a 19-inch tire wheel combination. They are alloy spoke rims, Michelin rubber, around 1/2 to 3/4 tread. That's how the integrated signals right in the mirrors. Has nice chrome trim across the doors and chrome door handles. Mirrors, if you look at the mirrors, you see the little symbol here. It does have the blind spot detection. As for the interior, you have black on black interior, has black leather bucket seats, power driver and passenger. You have nice chrome trim on your doors with some dark wood grain, and around your vents. Second row has the split bucket seating. Do have your heating controls there on the back of the console. Do have a couple USB ports and a 12-volt power source over there. The seats fold a couple ways. They'll split and go up like that for you, or you can fold them flat. Both will get you entry back into the third row seating. And you do have some cup holders and some pockets back there and some heat vents for riding in the third row. And rear tires, about the same as the front, maybe a little better. When you're around the rear, you'll notice the rear badging, of course, all-wheel drive Enclave. That's how the chrome trim dual exhaust outlets. Has the rear backup sensors, chrome trim on the top of the bumper. And it does have rear wiper, rear defrost, and your satellite, Sirius satellite antenna. That's how the power hatch with your backup cam. And back here you don't have a whole lot of storage space. If you lift this, you see you do have your cubby and stuff here. Your spare is underneath on the bottom side. But if you do need more storage space, these seats will fold ahead. Pretty simple. Just flip those levers, they'll go right down for you. And if you even need more space, the middle row will fold down the same way. So actually has pretty good capability of hauling something rather large back there if you really need to. And tires and wheels on this side both look pretty well also. If you look at the back seats on this side, and on your driver's door, you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors. You have your two-way memory seating. Up inside, you will see your power driver's seat. Up inside, you have your headlight switch down here with your interior dimmer. On the steering wheel, you have your heated steering wheel button. You have your cruise control. You have your heads-up display for your instrument panel. You have your voice activation, recognition, telephone settings, front and rear wipers. And I'll go ahead and light this dash up so you can see a few of the features a little better. You will see the current mileage is 17,286. It does have a clock. Above the clock, you do have a little storage compartment. And your AM/FM CD satellite radio. Of course, you can link all your devices up through the radio. Show you a few of the features there. Your Pandora, your XM, all of those things. And below that, you have your heating and air conditioning controls, front and rear defrost. And even further down, you have your heating controls for your driver and passenger seating. You have your traction control, your rear wiper on and off button. You do have your rear hatch button. You do have a 12-volt power source and an auxiliary source USB here in front of your shifter. You have two nice deep cup holders, automatic transmission selector, with the option to change manually if you choose. And you do have a nice cubby here that slides to cover it. Removable tray. It's a nice deep console down in there. Has an additional 12-volt power source. And your center does flip open for additional storage. Or, that's kind of a nice thing about these is you can slide the armrest front and back to wherever you're comfortable with it. This is a real nice, clean SUV. No smoke or pet odor in it. No rips or tears anywhere. We're going to go ahead and start up the engine, give you a look out there. And you can see it's also nice and clean underneath there. This particular Enclave does have a 3.6 variable level timing. Pretty good engine from GM. They use it in a lot of their SUVs. Get around 288 horsepower. And as for fuel numbers, you get around 22 miles per gallon highway. It pumps you down to about 15 around town or in the city, depending on your driving habits. Of course, that will make it vary somewhat. You look at the bright LED lighting. We are going to walk around this Enclave one more time and point out any blemishes that are on it. This is a real sharp looking Buick. I don't think we're going to find a whole lot to point out to you. It's a fairly low mileage unit. It's really nice to have the assurance when you buy these vehicles from us. A lot of our inventory, actually most of our inventory, still has factory backed coverage on the warranties. There are a couple small scuffs right on the point of the front bumper. They have been touched up and sealed with clear coat, so that won't give you an issue. But other than that, it's a good clean Buick Enclave. If you are interested in coming out and taking a test drive, or someone you may know, feel free to give us a call here, 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.